The year is 2030, and you have won. You stand triumphant above countless e-commerce businesses that used to be your competition, but have since crashed and burned into obscurity. You think back on what it was that separated you from the pack, the thing that set you so far above the rest, the pivotal decision that helped you clinch the #1 spot. You know you have to give credit where it's due. Thanks, Zakeke, you whisper. What's happening, Sumolings? It's Emma here with AppSumo, the #1 marketplace for forward-thinking entrepreneurs. Today we're going to take a look at Zakeke, an e-commerce engagement tool that helps you transform your boring 2D products into immersive 3D experiences your customers can almost touch. But just before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to AppSumo's YouTube channel so you stay up to date with all our best offers. All right, let's get into it. Getting your online store to stand out is hard, and today customer engagement is more critical than ever. Zakeke allows you to easily bring your products to life, but not in a creepy horror movie way. Create 3D models of your products that customers can rotate, zoom, and view from every angle. For your website visitors, the experience is as easy as selecting the options you've made available to them, adding their own graphics if they're doing something like print on demand, and then finalizing their order once they've seen that it's exactly what they want. On your end, it's almost as simple. Within the Zakeke dashboard, you can add your SKUs, then set up the dimensions on your product, and set the customization area. It's easy to use, but if you've never worked with tools like this before, the team at Zakeke has done a fantastic job at creating tutorials to walk you through the process, so you never get frustrated as you're setting up your immersive e-com experience. Plus, they've got a fantastic support department, so you can always reach out with your questions. When everything's good to go on your side, connect the product to your store and let your customers revel in the e-com experience of the future. They'll modify their products, generate 3D or augmented reality models, and basically feel like Tony Stark. Except they're probably wearing sweatpants and not a $3,500 Armani suit. Super cool for them, of course. But great for you too, because it'll reduce the number of returns that you get. If you can't see why Zakeke is going to carry your brand into the next millennium, I honestly don't know what to tell you. Enjoy being the next Pier 1, I guess? Don't get left behind in the digital dust. Level up your store with Zakeke today. Your customers, I have to breathe. Somewhere in that sentence, zoom and view from, you can see this, can't you? JK, we're going back. With all your Zakeke.